Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to share on the basics of Metasploit and how to hack into Windows shell using Metasploit. Since this is the first video I'm doing for Metasploit, I will share on how Metasploit works and some of its terminology. Basically, Metasploit framework was written to help making the task of penetration testing easier for a pen tester. It has heaps of known exploit and payload that we can use to attack a known system. Metasploit works by taking advantage of a system vulnerabilities and taking advantage of its weakness. Exploit is a code that allows an attacker to take advantage of the vulnerable system. The actual code that runs after we break into the system is called payload. We can do heaps of stuff once we get into the system. The combination of exploit and payload, which is easy to use, makes Metasploit framework a great tool for a pen tester. Now, to prove my point, I will show how to use Metasploit in hacking into Windows XP. Currently, my Kali Linux system and Windows XP is in the same network. If you don't have Kali Linux or planning to test Metasploit in your current Linux distro, check on my other videos on how to do this. Since I'm already in Metasploit, let's jump straight into it. Windows XP is known to have vulnerabilities that we can take advantage of. The module that we're gonna use in Metasploit is known as Net API. Type in search Net API. Metasploit will give few module with Net API name. To use this module, copy the full name of the exploit and type in use followed with the link that you just copied. Once you are in the module, type in show options to see the settings. You can change the settings manually. Our host is the remote machine IP address that we want to attack. Check the Windows IP address and set it in Metasploit. Type in set our host and followed with the IP address. This exploit will break into the machine. Now what you want to do next is where you need to set the payload. To display the payload, press double tap. I will use reverse TCP as my payload. Type in show options and check the configuration. lhost is local host IP address and lport is local port that we want to connect when we drop in the payload. In this attack, I will use the current local host as it is my current IP address, and for local port, I will change it to 600. Check your exploit and payload settings once again. Once you are ready, type in exploit. When the exploit is succeed, you will get into Windows XP shell prompt. To check the connection in Windows, go to Windows XP and type in netstat. You can check the connection and the connected port to the system. Now, you can add, delete, remove files from your remote machine. In this example, I will create a text file with the content "You just got hacked" in Windows XP drive. This file will be saved in Windows XP system. You can do tons of cool stuff with Metasploit. This is a good start if you want to learn about network security. There is the tutorial for today. If you like this tutorial, please click to subscribe, and thank you for watching.